Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Luke Ed and today is May 4th, 2019. We are in the new Student Recreation Center. This will be our 21st progress video and we'll be taking you through progress today. This month's update is all about our exterior civil and landscape progress. The weather has broke and the work has started. As we pass over Dodd Lot, our first detention system is installed under the parking lot to slow the storm drainage down. Our curb cuts for the Dodd Walk handicap ramps have been installed. This weekend, the permanent power to Wetton is going on. This will be the first time Wetton's power is fed from our new rec center. In the Dodd Lot, this will be the last lot that we finish because we're still using this area to feed the building with materials. All of our louvers for our mechanical units on the building, our framework is installed, ready for the final panels to be delivered and installed. And as we turn around, what a massive coordination this weekend. Those are the electrical service trucks, the Eversource vehicles, pulling all of our temporary power lines out of the way. That outhouse has been there for 2 years, supplying temporary power to the project. As we go by the School of Business, that's a look at our first of 3 round landscaping features with black granite curb and benches installed. 2 more will go towards the Wetton. Our sidewalks to the School of Business -1 strip have been installed. That area will be soon open to traffic. The progress on Hillside Road has been great. Our granite planting beds have been installed, and they will be what butts up to Hillside Road to keep the pedestrians using the crosswalks. The little dots are for our granite benches that will be installed, very similar to what we have on Fairfield Way. And when we turn around shortly and we look back up, we get a great chance to see how Hillside Road will be finished to the building. We're getting ready to tie the sidewalks from West Campus into our last granite planting bed that you see over here. And finally, we'll take a look at our south elevation to the pools. We'll show you how nice the glass is on the interior. And next, we're going to take you for a fantastic trip to look at our new climbing wall. Okay, here we go. Very special treat. This could be the only time. If you don't mind, let's start heading up. Everyone, for me, this could be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I'm not so sure I'll ever be able to climb to the top of this 62-foot climbing wall here, but the mechanics from Nycro's taking advantage of their lift while they're building the unit to be able to take a ride up to the top. So what they were explaining to me, we have 2 different types of features here. We're looking right here in front of us. This is the West Coast feature, and it's actually the advantage of it. It has 1,000 different routes, so it's a training area. It can change. Obviously, on this wall, you can see you can go up this way, slanted, more vertical. To the right, prettier. It's called the Art Wall. It looks exactly like a rock that you would climb in the field. The routes are a little more restricted. You've got to kind of follow the pathway. So it's great to have both through here. But we're almost about midway. Again, this is 62 feet. We're about halfway up. We're going to spin down. All right, get a sense on the ground here. This is going to be fantastic for the students. Up close, we get a chance to look. We've taken you through here in the past. This is the structural framing in the back in through here. If you look through to the other side, we then have intermediate cross braces that tie it in, bolts to the units. From the back side, you see the chicken wire that ties it together and it fills in. So eventually the rock looks like one. You get a chance to see this corner right through here. For me, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Maybe next month I'll be able to get a chance to come back up through this area. I'm not quite so sure my climbing skills will get me up this high. Unique to this project right through here to this climbing wall is this crack area, this climbing crack in the seam right in through here. That's a designed area
You know, we've seen climbers all the time stick their fingers in through there. This crack goes all the way down to the bottom. So right now the lift is stopped at about 60 feet. I'm about 6 feet from the top. You know, how incredible is this? The West Coast wall, the texture on it, you know, the little cracks they put in through here like that. You know, pretty unique, pretty awesome. Look at how close the holes are in there. And honestly, what a great job from the art wall, the tie-in that these mechanics were able to put in through here. And this is a specialty trade. This is almost on the line of theming that we see in the casinos sometimes with the fake rock. But this is a fantastic joint, a blend between the West Coast and the art wall. This section up to the top, this is finished, and this is what we'll be able to see as it comes down on this corner piece. We'll spin right back down through here and take a peek. And again, there's our lighting, feature lighting that's going to come right onto the wall while you're outside. This wall will stand out. You'll be able to see it all the way from Fairfield Avenue through there. Up close to the crack, the mechanic was just explaining to me that by design, it's of different thicknesses, different distances. This is kind of thin. I can still reach my hand into there, but they're saying it's designed for a big person all the way down to a child. You see different sections down in through here. What a great feature. We'll begin our interior update from our School of Business entrance. Many times we've come in through this way. These two entrances, this and Hillside Road, right off the bat. The e-pay has been installed. How rich the color is in here. This is our control desk area. We've talked about this a ton of times. Our soffit outline in through here. Once the tile gets completed, the desk will come in. Right through here, tile is in progress. They're tying the two spaces together. We see the red shims that's been set within the minutes. We'll spin back over here to Hillside Road. The tile's been through here. Our juice bar area in through here. Again, the e-pay has been completed. The tile gets finished. Then that will get built in through there. And now what we've been waiting for, what we've been talking about. Last month the scaffolding was still in this area. The scaffolding's gone. Here it is. Remember, the scaffolding was way up to the ceiling in order to build the lights. What a great ceiling in through here. I love the way the lights are linear and then change direction through there. Let's come a little further, see if we can catch the whole ceiling in through here. Fitness 1, the staging area down in through here. Fitness 4, we're going to go up there shortly, a little bit more completed. But remember, that's how the job is finishing, from 3 down to 2, down to 1 through here. We'll spin around. For the first time, our finishes are in here. The only thing remaining is ceilings and paint through here. What a space. The e-pay first and second floors completed in through here. Our admin area behind through here. We looked through here last time. Our senior management area up in through here. Locker update. We're traveling in the women's room through here. Right off the bat, the lockers are in. For anyone who uses the existing facility, the word, oh my God, fantastic. It's a wood grain, beautiful locker, all right? What a huge upgrade. Remember I said the rooms are going to get bigger as we go along? Look at the size of this. This is like one locker room right now. We had a bay in this area, another one through here, another one right through there. Right? Again, this is almost the area that we have in the men's locker room, right in through there. It continues down on through here. We're in the women's room again. Our toilet partitions are fantastic. Different type of toilet partition I haven't seen. See if I can catch this. This is a shiplap joint right through here. You know, the lighting's not the greatest. So this little gap is not visible all the way through on the inside. Believe it or not, that's a pretty nice feature. First time I've seen it. Piano hinges full all the way down through here. Again, we talked about this before. Individual showers, no longer any gang showers. So the permanent lighting's not on quite yet, but what a spot. The drain off to the edge, some mud job in here. All the water drains in through there. Huge improvements, modern locker room. Let's take you out to the pool. Huge progress on the pool. The last time we were out here, there was some painting still needed to be done up in this section right through there. So all our ceiling painting has been completed. All of our HVAC has been run. The lights will get organized once they take off the rest of the plastic. All the lighting is in. All the wall tile is almost complete. 99.9% complete. The water test for both of our pools was completed this week. It was a 72-hour water test. The process was water test the pool, make sure it didn't have any leaks. Our lap pool, our recreation pool in here, we passed the test without any leakage. The water gets drained out. Next week we'll start our mud job and our tile on the pool in through here. And that's what's behind it when you go into the pool, concrete. When the mud job is done, this will be smooth in through here. Amazing windows. When you come up Hillside Road, you'll be able to see in here. You can see in to this dramatic tile scape in through here. Again, glass in through here for natural light in through here. We'll spin back around through this area right in through here. We move from our fitness 1 and 3 over to our 2 and 4. Again, just like the first floor, our radius ceiling over the control area. This is all temporary protection. All of our tile has been completed up in here. All of our athletic matting has been installed. Our columns are being worked on. It's pretty easy to tape these pre-manufactured fiberglass reinforced columns on the top and our stainless steel down below. We get a sense for the ceilings in here, the linear lighting. We look back, the handrails. This handrail is finished. The cabling system for the open look down in here as you would have on the waterfront. The paint colors through here are blues and our grays with our whites in the background. The ceiling almost complete, just some areas of cuts down in through here. Our studio's flooring's complete. Some finishes. The electrical needs to go in there. Speakers on the wall, coming along nicely. Let's take a quick peek in our functional training room down in through here. A little protection up here to keep the dust out. All right, the flooring's not in here yet. Ceiling is in. It's great to have a dark ceiling in here like that. Permanent lights are in here. What a nice color contrast for the equipment that gets hung off the ceiling. They come through the ceiling cleanly. The glaze block down through here. We'll look back always with the glass to the open area. What a great room. Our mat courts. Finishes from the ceiling on the way down. We can see that our track railing has been painted. That's right, it's painted a little rough. The finish coat will go next to there, so it's a little lighter gray. Here it is on this wall here. This marvelous plaster work that we witnessed a month or so back in through here will pop out to our forecourts. Very similar. Finished from the ceiling down, painted on the track rail. Get a chance to see the soffits, the blue on the soffits, the gray up high. We have a concrete composite panel that goes down in through here, non-destructible panel that's coming. That's what finishes these areas off, covers the rough plywood. Our forecourts over here. Our wood is getting acclimated. That will be going down shortly. This will be our last look at our racquetball courts before the floor is installed, and then finally the glazing that covers this in. But a great opportunity on the 3rd floor to look back in our Fitness 1, Fitness 3 area, this grand open space in through here. What a great view. The stairway that comes up, the flyover walkway on the 2nd floor.
Again, today is May 4th, 2019, and we thank you for your interest in our university projects. Remember to subscribe to our UPDC YouTube channel. At the bottom in red here, a click on the subscribe, a second click on the bell right next to it. Now you'll receive an automatic email every time we add a video to this site. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.